Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the band now. Press the release button and slide it out, then lay parts on a soft cloth so nothing rolls away. Once done, grab a small Phillips, a plastic spudger, and a magnifier when available, because visibility matters for tiny springs. Inspect the handle closely. Look for a compressed spring, bent lug pins, debris, or corrosion. This tells you whether you need a simple clean, a spring replacement, or a pin realignment before you proceed. Now you move into the core repair. Cleaning, realigning, and replacing parts is needed. First, clean the clasp and lugs with 70% isopropyl on a swab to remove tiny grit that impedes motion. Drying prevents corrosion. Next, if a lug pin is bent, use the plastic spudger to nudge it straight, and then test the movement gently so you don't overforce the metal. If the clasp spring is weak or broken, swap it for an identical replacement, because fit and tension must match for reliable closure. Finish by reassembling and testing thoroughly. Slide the band into the Apple Watch lug until you hear the click, and make sure it sits flush with even gaps on both sides, because misalignment causes wear. Once assembled, run 20 open and close cycles, and then wear the watch for a day to confirm comfort and security. If the clasp still slips, tighten the pins slightly, or insert a thin washer shim to remove play. This simple tweak often resolves persistent slippage without replacing the entire band.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.